Hello and welcome to Blisani Skincare Secrets, where we discuss natural ingredients related to aging and acne. Aloe vera is a versatile plant with many uses. Not only can it help soothe sunburns and moisturize skin, but it may also help reduce wrinkles and other signs of aging around the eyes. For centuries, aloe vera has been used to promote youthful skin, tone, hydration, and elasticity, and it can be an effective way to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, aloe vera can help boost collagen production and draw moisture to the skin, resulting in a more youthful complexion. Today we will discuss how to use aloe vera to reduce under-eye wrinkles and help you achieve a smoother and healthier appearance. Aloe vera is a unique plant that has many benefits and uses. In addition to being an effective remedy for soothing skin ailments such as sunburn and psoriasis, aloe vera can help reduce the appearance of under-eye wrinkles and fine lines. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, aloe vera can help boost collagen production and draw moisture to the skin, resulting in a more youthful complexion. Several studies show that aloe vera applied topically can reduce the appearance of wrinkles by stimulating collagen production and increasing blood flow to the under-eye area. In addition to reducing under-eye wrinkles, aloe vera can be used to treat dry and sensitive skin, promote healthy skin, and restore skin health after cosmetic procedures such as chemical peels and laser treatments. Aloe vera is also an affordable and easily accessible product that can be used at home. Aloe vera gel is a versatile substance that can be used to soothe skin, promote healthy hair growth, and even as a natural teeth whitener. To prepare aloe vera gel for use under the eyes, break open an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the semi-thick gel inside. You can store the aloe vera gel in the refrigerator to keep it fresh and apply it directly to the under eye as needed. Alternatively, you can use a homemade aloe vera cream which can be applied before bed and left on the skin overnight to maximize its effects. Aloe vera gel has many uses, and one of the most common is to reduce under-eye wrinkles and improve the overall health of the skin. To use aloe vera gel under your eyes, apply a small amount at night and leave it on your skin overnight. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help boost collagen production and draw moisture to the skin, resulting in a more youthful complexion. Alternatively, you can apply aloe vera gel under your eyes in the morning before applying makeup. Applying the gel under your eyes will help reduce the appearance of fine lines, provide hydration, and promote healing and skin health. Aloe vera gel can also be used as a natural alternative to eye cream. Our very Toney anti-aging serum for men and Gemma Crema vegan anti-aging serum for women both contain aloe vera along with vegan sources of retinol and hyaluronic acid. These combined ingredients can reduce under-eye wrinkles under the eyes along with the face and neck. They come in a cruelty-free, made in the USA formula. Aside from using aloe vera gel, there are several other ways you can reduce under-eye wrinkles. One of the best ways to reduce under-eye wrinkles is to drink plenty of water. Water is essential to keeping your skin hydrated and healthy, so consuming enough water throughout the day can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Additionally, you can use the over-the-counter retinol creams or retinol serums to boost collagen production and reduce the appearance of under-eye wrinkles. You can also use cooling eye pads to relieve swelling, reduce the appearance of under-eye bags, and help your skin stay hydrated. Until next time, friends, stay safe and stay well.